Hi there, welcome back. In our previous section, we have to cover actually the admin profile information, right? We just actually user profile information. We just completely process step by step. This is the all of this above information update process will be done. But in this section, we have to discuss about here our wish list. Actually, this is here when user click the add to wish list, and then this wish list data into the store in here just look like similar of this. Go to our live url, and here you see that this is a wish list, right? So when click add to wish list, look at that wish list added successfully is a beautiful uh, alert notification actually comes in here, and look at that. Here is this actually the wishlist courses has to be added. Okay, and once again just click add to wish list, and this is that as so sweet alert toast will be a beautiful pop-up, and here is this all of this wish list. If you go to the check wish list, and this is that wishlist all of the wishlist data into in here. You can also remove. Okay, you can also remove, and all of this entire process comes in AJAX without any refresh any pages. Okay, that is actually the beautiful function. We have to be covered step by step. So and here you just once again go to our home pages, and the similar task we will be completing here step by step. So it's really a complex process, but I am still to try to make it easy for you, so that's why you can easily grab for this. And now go to our VS Code and should take action. Here is our code editor. So first we need to make remove all of this file. Because of that, currently this file is not necessary yet at this moment. So go to our so actually now to make a model, actually wishlist model needed first. So that's why what the issue. Okay, this is the wishlist model, and also make it also command the migration. So simultaneously wishlist model and migration table will be created. Okay, look at that. So now go to the wishlist table. Sorry, database migration table. Yes. So first, actually we need for unsigned big integer for our user ID. Definitely needed for user ID. Then need for course ID. Okay. Also, these two data, course ID and user ID, will be perfect. No additional data will be needed. So better the connection of the foreign key, and look at that. This is the users. Actually, you will be understand already. I have to discuss it in previous video. This is our actually foreign key. So when user will be deleted, this data, this table data will automatically deleted. Wishlist data is automatically deleted. Suppose you are a person, you log in the credential, and you some put for your wishlist data, and when your account will be removed, already wishlist data will be removed. I think you will be understand, or otherwise you can face any issue. So please contact, please comment below. We just manage it. And and yes, another will be course for two data, and two data will be our foreign key. Okay. So now here give the command php artisan migrate. Okay, fine. One step will be covered. Perfect. Now here we have PHP. Now here we go to our front end actually. Here is this backend auth user section component. This is the front end. Okay. So here is the front end section. We actually what the issue here is the pages, and here is the home pages, and this is the index. Okay, we just some changes actually. It's not the proper way. So we just in here and manage for index dot play dot php, and all of this actually index file you came into the here. Otherwise, it will be not. It, it's not actually appropriate. So index and master will be keep the a similar way, and the home page will be home page will be not needed, but a home page will be needed. What's the actual issue? So not needed home page. Yeah, this index is not needed. So now I'll go to our controller. This is our auth. This is our backend, and go to our fontaine dashboard controller, and here you see fontaine pages home index. So not needed for home index. It's just go to our index. This will be better. It will be better pages index, and this is the index. Pages not fontaine index. Okay, fontaine index. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now go to our fontaine. Here is the fontaine index. So better is just to remove it. Here is our fontaine index, and here is the fontaine index. We'll look at this course area first. Okay, course area first, and this course area first you just yeah, this is the icon element shadow cursor pointer, and this is the wish list and la harp 0. Okay, this is the icon. So better we just to manage first. Okay, and just here is all of this entire process in including in here. Okay, now first go to the model. Wishlist model is first when here, and this is our actually controller, and this our middleware request, and here is the model, and his wishlist.blade.php, and you already know what I am doing actually. It just protected card will be copy, and from here just one process will be done. That's it. Fine, perfect. Just remove here. We just need for here. So first we will place here the class of wishlist icon. We just additional class will be added for, because of that here AJAX will be implemented here. Okay, so you will be understand after later. And here is the patching. Who is the passing? Here is the data course id, and very carefully here is this. AJAX is always complicated. Okay, but I still to make, I will make it easy. So yeah, Fine. And after that, okay. So, your data course ID is a parse course ID. Because of that, you can already know that here is the course. Actually, this pass in here actually course data. Okay, is data is comes from this. Mm, Here is the data course. Okay, fine, perfect, perfect. And now go to our actually once again this is a public directory. Here this is a public. Look at that. Here we have made created folder previously custom.js. So here actually we just place in here because of that it will be very readable and easy to understand to manage this. Okay, so here you can just push the wish list. Oh no, just a spelling mistake. Wish list. Fine. This wish list we pass the data index.blade.php. This is the perfect. And we just check it our master, and this master we just go to our script. Here is the script, and look at that stack will be script, but we need to pass our custom JS data. Okay, and this here we just pass for the script custom JS wishlist index.js. Perfect. And now this time we need to more things to require to integrate it. So first one will be implement in suite alert. It will be needed. So now go to our script, and this additional script we need for here, and you also some mention for what the issue sweet alert. Why custom js wishlist index.js we just what will be actually done, we just sweet alert implement or not, sorry, sweet alert implement or index.js. Oh, that's my mistake. This is a blade.php, not, sorry, sorry. That's my mistake. Yes. Index.js. Sorry. I hope it will be clear. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Now here, okay, fine, sweet alert, and then pass for this alert. Actually, what is this? Actually, this not it will be the session will be success, and this is the the pop up sweet alert course notification. You have to seen it earlier. This notification will be shown into the success message, and also put here. This is when you get the error, we just make it another session condition that's help to is sweet alert error. That's nothing. It's a simple, it's nothing. You just already got the code for this description. So now initialize library setup will be done. Fine. Master will be complete. Master not master. Script will be perfect. Fine. Index.plate.php course area first, and here. Okay. Okay. Fine. One thing so will be this is our index, and we need to again for master.blade.php and go to our actually fontaine section link. We just pass for our csrf token. Why csrf token? You will be automatically understand for csrf token. Because of that it manage our token information for 419 error, prevent the 419 prevent. So when the Laravel blade form you have to submit, will you pass for adorator CSRF function. Okay, but when you can make it AJAX, and this AJAX is already not included of your script, you include the data, just keep your public folder. So communicate for this token validation will be the needed for this https request. Okay, I hope you will be understand. So where is the index.js.pss? This is a public. It's a lots of file already. So and here, okay. Now, okay, here is our JavaScript file. Actually, just first introducing our document dot on click function. Pass for the wishlist icon. You will be automatic already done. Already knows that where the wishlist icon is coming. Because of that, we add for additional classes. Okay, here is the function. You just function and here we just function. Perfect. So here this is a wish list icon. We just check it, is it work or not. Just alert hello wish list. We just check it our via browser. Okay. And now just keep reload first. Why is taking too much time? Yes, but it's still now it needs for time. This why is the click and it will be not work. So actually not placement here, but alert actually not work. We just check it. So, okay, here first of all, here is the lot of mistake. Here is all the alpine.js data will be came in here, but we not use for alpine.js, so we need to keep it simple in here. Okay, this JS file keep here, and this is our course area. And this course area we have that we just for spelling mistake here. Actually, we just place in here, so it will be in a better here. Okay, this is our wishlist icon. Okay, perfect. And all of this, just check it once again. Just keep reload, and now once again, and yes, wishlist alert is coming. I think this file will be work perfect. Okay, now go to our index.js, and here we just this file is work. So now grab the actually course ID. This course ID we will be passed into in here. So just grab it. Fine. Now for this icon element, actually this icon element in comes in here. Actually this icon element we just for in here you will be understand actually why the icon element will be cast in here. Pass the URL. Here is our URL pass. This URL is wishlist add. So now comes from our AJAX function. This AJAX function will be treated in here. Perfect. And this AJAX function we just pass for our URL. Here is our URL. Now pass for what type of it's will be definitely for the post method. Now pass our data. Two data we will be passing here. This data will be the year. This is the actually course ID and pass for the token. Because of that, we just here this. That's why we just for meta CSRF token including into our header section, head section actually. Here is the head start. Here is the head finish. So better we just format the document. It will very easy to understand. Yeah, look at this. This is a head element. Fine. So now Data will be passed, and then we just for our success response. So for the success response, and here it will be put in here. Okay, this success response, first of all we just pass the response, we just check it if I got the response. Okay, because of that we don't get any response. Because of that, this URL will be not created. We just check it and actually is response is we get or not. So better the file step by step we will manage it. Here is for the response data, and now here is our sweet alert. So what actually done? Actually done. Pass for the success coming, and another comes for our here. This is success, right? Just it, and this the error. Okay, fine. Better what actually needed. So better need route, better need controller. Actually, a lot of work. Okay, so now go to our route. Actually, the what's the happen. So create the route. Here is a web.blade.php. All of the fontaine route will be included in here. Now, so fontaine route, just here is our wishlist controller. Okay, so maybe we not created wishlist controller. So better, so wishlist controller not here is the wishlist route. This is our actually front end. Not resource controller. So initially just make a controller, and we just for we need for two route actually, wishlist add and wishlist all. So better we just put in here our wishlist add controller, but don't worry. And also needed for wishlist all controller. So better two route will be created, and here and not initialize actually, and that's fine. Okay, and now go to our wishlist controller. Okay, so now create the function. Add to wish list. Request. Request. Perfect. And we need to pass the validated data. So here is the validated data will be passes because I definitely need for courses, and this is the course ID. We will be grabbing here validate data course ID. But before one things, actually we need for service or other things. So we need for constructor. Already, if you are watching the full tutorial series, we just all of this all of the time we just for focus for our constructor with list. This is our wishlist service. Hmm, okay. We just for another public function we just came to in here and here. This is the constructor wishlist service, and this service is not created. So go to our wishlist service. This is our models, http models. This is a repository, and here is our all of this service. So we need for make wishlist service. Perfect. Here is our wishlist service. Okay. Service is created. Another is needed for wishlist repository. So make another file, wishlist repository.php. Yes, fine. Fountain dashboard controller. So not needed for fountain dashboard controller. Wishlist service. This is our wishlist controller. Wishlist service is initialized, but before this, we need to make the class actually in here. Why? Wishlist also better serve for our core service. We just make a copy, and here is our wishlist service, and just need to paste. So just we just don't need for anything here. We just remove, and this is our core service, not this our wishlist service. Fine. Wishlist service, not repository created. So here is repository will be don't need it. So just remove. It just came into later. Here is the wishlist repository. So better our course repository, and just copy and wishlist repository and just paste. Lot of function, no need anything. We just need for class. Okay. So remove. No needed for any trade. No needed. Okay. So here are the services. So better these services will be input in here. What's this service? I hope it will be error will be gone. And here is the course ID. How actually how does the course ID? We just send this course ID, but return. Just send it to the service. Okay. Return this wishlist service. Okay, fine. But don't worry, we not created any wishlist service. So here, go to our wishlist service and look at the course repository. Not needed for course repository. We just focus wishlist repository. Okay, and here is the path for the data, and here, and this wishlist repository is comes from what happened, wishlist service, wishlist repository. Oh, that's my mistake here. That's why will be error will be lost wish list. I hope it will be work. Yeah, service. Yeah. Okay. Now go to our public function create wish list, and this data will be sent in here is a similar. Yeah, this is a create wish list. Pass the course ID and create wish list. We not to make a course create list or a repository will be not created. So you go to our repository. What actually? Okay. Okay, go to our wishes repository, and here we just public function. That's there. Actually pass for course ID. That's it. And now I here we just okay. So this our try. This is a case because this request will be our JavaScript. So and now the check for this authentication if user is credential or not. Auth first of all check for the auth. The initialize for the auth. Okay, all senior supports definitely facade. Fine. Now graph our what is a graph? There's a graph our user ID. Here just for this user ID. After user ID, you just take in the query for user is exist or not. This wishlist data is exist or not. Here is a pass for there. Here is this wishlist where user ID and user ID, and where course ID and course ID. Where actually this course is already of your wish list. We don't need for this array like wish list and here not exist data will be not insert of your database. That's it, nothing else. So another condition, so data will be not exist. Just keep it here. If the data will be not exist, what actually done, the wish list will be created as simple. This wish list will be created. Perfect. And now after created the wish list, we need to better job we just count for the wish list data how many wish list data will into your cart, total wish list count, and here graph your wish list courses. Face for the wishlist courses because all of this wishlist source data will be shown into here, and also uh, pass for our what actually done. So response data will be passed into the JSON format. Status success, message wishlist successfully, wishlist count, and wishlist courses. Okay, and after that, otherwise we have a two condition, right? Why? We just in here there is a if. Okay, so now here else, otherwise we just message error. We just put into the error. Okay, now we just for the exception for your error, actually not error, error will be here, that's already error, remove. So better here is not put in here, will be passing exception and error, it will be better. Now this error will be passing here, that's it. Okay, once it's done for the add for our wishlist data. Okay, now once again keep reload and just place the click, and here app model, which is something like course on app. What's the actually issue? Go to our inspect. Let's go to our console and just check it. What actually here the cause the issue? Okay, 409 conflict. 409 conflict. What is 409 conflict? Go to our add. This item is already in your wish list. So how can do this possible? This item is already your wish list. Okay, just check it. We just check it. Where is the data will be stored into here. So that's why it's happened. But once again, keep reload. We just check it. What's the issue actually? Now go to our once again wish list and look at the item already in your wish list. Actually we pass the data, but why the data is here is a two table actually. So we just here is a table, and look at that, this wish list, and this already created data already created, but why show the error? So just keep the delay. Okay, and now keep reload. Here is this, look at that, data will be no data will be in here, but you just delete something undefined course model. What's actually something went wrong? Hmm, that's the undefined relationship course model label user status error, but when keep reload, here is the data is coming. Hmm, I just check it. Okay, I got the error. Look at that. Here is our wishlist courses, wishlist where user is with course.user. Okay, look at that. This is the repository. We just make a relationship course and user. That's why the model will be arise. The error will be happen. So now what is current? So now go to our wishlist.php model and now give the relationship about this one to one. This is our belongs to. Okay, one to one relationship will be course ID and course ID. It will be put in here. You just already knows that this video is already so much long, so that's why I don't work the repeated work. Don't try to repetitive work, so that's why we just jump and quickly paste into. Okay, so now go to our check another time. Yes, just keep reload when just wishlist added successfully. Okay, look at that, the data will be, and once again that This item already in your wish list. That's beautiful. Beautiful sweet alert is came into the here. Once again, wish list added successfully, and now this item. And look at that, friend. This item is already wish listed. And go to our main URL. Here is this. When you just pop up the add to wish list, look at that. This is the icon mark will be came in here. Okay, another time in this icon mark will be here, but we need to similar type of this. So now that's why where actually our index.blade card, so model, where is our public directory, where I just actually here, and that's why we make a variable for icon element. I think you will be understand why actually I am doing so now. And here is there's is a count form in here. We need to make sure for some couple of things again for improve. So here we will be update wishlist card dynamically if here we just icon actually for our icon purpose what actually is world.fire it will done. And now here and just put in the here grab the bracket, so update wishlist count dynamically it will be needed for later. So just for our count for data, how many wishlist data will be count in here. Update wishlist count. We not created update wishlist count yet. So just wait and change the icon remove class. Actually, we our first target will be, so our icon will be this what update the icon. Okay, update the icon. Mm, other things. Here will be another things is that so we already update wishlist count function but not creating it. So here will be for our here. So better, and yes, this is a wishlist count. Okay, we just for this in here and call into here and just call in the insect in the operator response wishlist count. Okay, response is success wishlist count. Because of that, we just already passed for wishlist count data. And yeah, actually wishlist count data response wishlist count is passed by our repository. Where is a repository, and this repository, oh no, this course repository not needed for course repository is a wishlist. Where the data, the script.blade.php, index.blade.php, master.blade.php, wishlist service, and wishlist repository. And look at that, this wishlist count. Okay, so that's why wishlist count data in pass in here. If you grab the response, actually you just automatically understand actually what I'm doing. I show you. Okay, so what currently now go to our actually wishlist is already injected. Um so better what actually doing. Hmm, actually doing this, go to controller first. Once again, I just manage it for one video, so that's why it will be very big, but don't worry, it will be better for understand and keep focus for the track. Okay. Okay, now we just create for another function for all wish list. Because of that, our facing data purpose, because we need to face all of this data according to the store wish list. Okay, so now public function all wish list, all wish list. We just check it is all wish list or not. Yes, all wish list. So okay, fine, all wish list. So first of all, we just check user is authenticated or not. So actually, user the global helper to check the authentication. We need to global helper. So now here is this global helper. So here we just manage. Okay. Okay. Here is our global helper function. So check the comment global or check. Okay. And you already knows about how does actually global function work. You can use of your application in anywhere. So it's very important to make for globally declaration. So auth underscore check and session. It will be the best practice. Actually, is one time is this function is created and multiple time this same function is repeatedly work. Okay. So fine. So now if isn't auth is a facet, right? Oh no 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 no. It's just auth. So Professor, what the hell? What the hell? Oh yeah, is a facade already is declared but not needed for multiple times. Okay, just check because of this is a AJAX response is one of this. So when I we created REST API, this is a similar type of approach we have to follow. In the next project, bring we just to try for React JS in front end and back end in Laravel REST API. So then you can a lot of things to understand clearly. But now, straight as I show you, you I hope it will work. But what the issue? Yeah. Actually, this a Node.js syntax. I just make it. Sorry, it's a multiple time. Lot of struck will be work, so that's why it makes the. So already it's done. So now back to our wishlist controller, and here is the auth check JSON. JSON. I just go call in here. Okay, now call this function. So just clear for. Look at it. It's very fine. And all of them and multiple time I just call this function. Okay. So if you are a new of the channel, I suggest you for to watch this playlist for step by step, and you will learn a lot. I promise you. And you can make a solid foundation of Laravel and make prepare to your job interview and confidence of your skills. So that's why you can got the job right and start build up your career effectively. This is my actual intention, nothing else. Okay. Okay, fine. And now, so wishlist data is called wishlist. This are two things is just wish list will be definitely user ID and check for this course, and we need for this course dot user. Okay. Get two things. Got a wish list. We just make a course. I think is previously the course, and this a course dot user has just check it. So this is our course. So yeah, go to course and course dot user, and here is the user. Okay. So both is connected. So first of all, I just told you is a course is connected for one-to-one connection. Well, sorry, one-to-one relation. Sorry. And another things is a course to user. Look at that. And this is another things for this user is the instructor ID and instructor ID. I just show you and what the actually data scheme was wish list item. Okay. And now, yes, we just now this is a view. Actually, we run the partial HTML, and if you unknown for this, I just show you. Actually, I just render for because it's a AJAX request, right? So that's why I render for their HTML rendering HTML for effective way. Look at that front end, not this. Not as usual, Ajax will be bind in here, but I don't need to try for this. I just for the this Laravel blade actually I rendered for this here. I just show you partials dot rows. This actually this is our folder direction. This is a view, though we are not created yet. And here also passing the compact data is the list items. Okay. It could be the error, but no, don't worry, I just manage it step by step. Render. Okay. And return response possession. Okay, now first you can go to our font end. This is our font end. Now go to our pages, and this pages go to the another folder called is partials. Okay, and this is the another blade of wish list dot blade dot php. Perfect. I just check it. Yeah, it's what the issue. I just check it one second. Front end. dot pages dot, oh yeah, and this is the home actually, pages home and partials. That's my mistake. List. So this file actually, what the hell? Front end, my mistake. This is the partials, okay. Then choose list. It will be work. Yeah, it will be work, but it will be not work because of that is outside of the folder. So better just skip remove. Okay, fine. Now render for wishlist blade.php. Okay. Here, you just see that. Look at this. Actually, when cart is hover, is some data will be showing here. Okay. Actually, our live URL shows that. Look at this. This is the SVG icon, and this is though is not a wishlist data. So better we have to create it, but we also did not credential, so that's why. But I just show you, and this data will be showing actually here for this. Otherwise, we will be login. So you already knows that wishlist is a conditional rendering for all checking, right? Okay. So if you just I just show you earlier, but once again I just show you as a login. You are not authorized user, right? So this pop-up will be created in here. But here actually why this data is string. Go to VS Code. Here is our VS Code, and go to our header section. Actually, this section will be the font int. Actually, under the folder of the font int section. Actually, this section will be header, and header. This section will be here. Is look at that. This is the complete as a suppose card drop down menu, and this card drop down menu we have actually render. Okay, this card drop down menu. So just copy in here. Just cut in here. I just remove it, and this is our wishlist.blade.php, and this data will be blade in here. Actually, there is the static data, but don't worry, I step by step I will show in here. And now one things, this is a drop down and go to the header.blade.php. Actually, here is a lot of work. Look at that deep class shop cart. Actually, we just here we just need two. Actually, one is wish list manage here, and one is the cart. So better just comment. We just grab for wish list cart. Okay, and this is a end wish list, not shop cart. Better you will be confused. Okay, so better practice to make a comment. Okay, though class is shortcut, but don't worry. So now here we need to be our, this is the shortcut icon which we don't need for this. So no required for shopping cart, just remove. And we just use for SVG icon of Bootstrap. Okay. Here is the Bootstrap icon. Actually, this is the Bootstrap icon, nothing else. So you just search for Bootstrap icon, and here is the heart icon. So we just clear for this. Just is busy. Just copy. Okay. Perfect. Just paste it for SVG icon, right? Now we just need to make a lot of PHP code, but you will be understand. Okay. Now I just show you. Let's record PHP. Fine. I just show you as a simple. Just here. First, we just check if the auth function is be called. Check. just pick for this user. So auth user function and got the ID. Perfect. And now this is the wish list. Wish list equal to get wish list. Okay. Actually, get wish list for this get wish list data. You will be confused. So actually, what does we just for this data is be called in here. So we just create for wish list. Okay, here is a make to need to make for all. Here is a wishlist controller. So not so just go to our global controller for here. So now grab wishlist data. Okay. So first of all, create the if function. It's the same for condition will be exist function exist get wishlist. Okay. That's it. Nice. If auth already Faisal. So not a first boring things. So why this? This function will be this. This will be the gonna be the conflict of other auth. Shit, no. I don't know why this actually. Please keep patience. It's a very long video, but it's very helpful for you for the other project. You will be applied the same way for using the AJAX. So just keep patience. Your underscore ID, and here will be the auth. This is the user function in a similar way. This ID return this wish list. Yeah. So wish list where user ID drop the user ID with course course user. Fine. Actually, return collect. Okay, all of this collection data will be the return. Okay. Now here is our header.blade.php. That's why is the data is called in here. Okay, here is this wish list, and now picked up. Actually, you will understand. Actually, this global function will be called in wish list. Fine. Now here is this wish list count will be the f models wish list. Not why it's fine. This is the if condition, and otherwise else you will be handle the case. not logged in. You just wish list, go to call it. Otherwise, this is static data. Okay, fine. Here actually this is the shop cart. Okay, okay, and all of this now here this is a span class already, and it's just needed for another span class. Class will be product count, and here the pass the ID actually. Okay, wishlist count. Give some style. And now for this. Okay, and here go to our wishlist.blade.php, and you already knows here we just look at that. Here one is li, one is li. Here just nothing, we just apply for our go to cart and not need for go to cart. So just now, okay, here is our header.blade.php. We need to wishlist.blade.php. We just one media card will be better. So just remove all of this. You already knows what actually I have done in this here. In our wishlist controller, we just pass for wishlist item. So here wishlist.blade.php given the for is. After that is empty. We just for another things is for reals, and otherwise you just for another button for check wish list. Just and go check wish list. Okay, just format document and just check it. Okay, and here when the wish list item, this is the post details and something something. We just make it for first tuple replace for this image for our asset, and here is our as image button. We just make copy simple asset item course image. Because of that item, and item will be course and course image. Because what will be course, look at that we said item is that this is the with relationship data. Okay, so there's a course and course will be the image. I hope you will be clear. Because of that lot of part I will be created here. Also the part of this the course name data. Course name data, here is the is5 we just remove, and this is our actually course name. Okay, got it. And after that, this is the username, actually course username. Actually look at that, this is a camera number, not actually the instructor ID will be in here, right? So better here is this item course username may be the instructor, maybe not. This is actual, and this is our as usual selling price, and our discount price will be showing here. Previously lot of time I do the same things, but not here for this repeated work. Because of that, this tutorial already is heavy. It's 1 hour plus. So if you step by step, you will learn a lot. I promise you. Otherwise, you just mention for comments. This video is helpful or not. Okay. This is the controller. All of things will be done. I just check for others thing. This is our actually. That's finally jump for our public custom.js. Resource custom js. This is a wish list, and here is only for our wish list icon. Now we need to take make a function about the get wish list. Okay, in here for this below the comments the get wish list, and actually get wish list means there is the function called the function for get wish list. Mm, Here is the function called get wishlist. That's fine. And another function called is the variable for wishlist all. So this is the variable for URL wishlist all. Because of that, with a lost of file index.blade.php code.page.php, and just remove for a couple of things. Index.blade.php will be removed. Course area first is make use to wishlist service not needed. Core service dot needed, which is repository dot needed. This web dot page dot php, and this is this wishlist all. Okay, so this function, this method is actually is the AJAX request. Okay, AJAX AJAX route wishlist all. Okay, wishlist con what the hell? No, this is the URL. Fine. Call for AJAX function, and this AJAX function is looks like here. Okay. This is a passing for URL first. Now it will be the type will be get. Type will be get, and pass the data. Data will be actually token pass, not other thing. Because of that get request, no data will be passed. It just call for and render, and I just show you. And here is a two arrays happen for this. This is a success. This is success. Just format you. Wow, it's okay. This is success, and now make the error. I'm sorry. This is the error. Okay, this is the error, and it's okay. Now go to the just give reload and just check it is overall is it work or not. I don't know, but actually this icon is came in here. Okay, so okay, and this nice. And first we just make to try authorize this login. That's good sign. And now go to our login. Actually our credential was Michael at the rate. Okay, and now this credential is ready. Okay, oh fine, it's the problem. Maybe I just forgot the credential. I just check it. Okay, it's done. Now this once again just keep reload. Yes, is a two data will be showing here, but no data will be facing here. Already two data. I just go to over here. This actually this LMS and SLMS YouTube. I just check it what the wishlist data. Actually here the wishlist data. So now okay. Now just okay. No, once again, just yes, but hover is not work. Okay, hover is not work. We just keep reload and check it. Actually, not work. Once again, this yes, the data is showing here perfectly, but not show the data. But okay, I check it. Here, just check it. Here is the wishlist controller, and here is the index dot. Oh, sorry, this is our index dot blade dot php, and here sorry, index.php. Look at that. This is the success function will be id wishlist course and HTML response html, but our header.blade.php actually we don't put given any data, so it's actually, and here we just put for the data. Look at that, wishlist courses passing the id. I just check it, but one things for to mention here, look at that. So better way, when user actually what's the function, yeah, but it will be better when this is a wishlist icon. When we clicked, then this data will be alert for sweet or response is equal to swing. So look at that, this is the icon is updated. Okay, better. So here the icon update, I just check it what's the actually data is coming or not. Once again, one I just check it what actually data is came, but once again not showing. Just keep reload. That's the data is not showing. What the issue? I just check it once again. Maybe we got a mistake couple of things. So when this is a function will be calling here for get wishlist, but it's required for this. The function is called for document.ready. Because of that, always the function will be calling document.ready function. And after that, when wishlist icon is clicked, I just another time will be calling here. I maybe it will work or not, I don't know, but still now I just try for this. So keep patience, and now okay, now just keep reload. Perfect, and just click for this and just check it, and yes, this data will be perfectly came. And another this click, okay, this fine, and this data will be also in here. Just keep reload and just check it, is it work or not. Yes, this icon will be removed, but data will be staying here. Okay, so now fix to two things. Okay, now here is this. This is our course area first. When this button is clicked, but icon is not seen, so that's why in this here. So we just remove first and got to the space. We just create some logic according our PHP. So now this. So what will be first? First, we just auth check. This is similar if auth function and this check. This is the built-in function of Laravel, right? So don't worry, it's not a global function. It's the auth to be user and pick the ID. Perfect. And now, okay, just check for this course is wishlisted not. Okay. This will be the first. Now the sales. Perfect. Okay. And now this our index. What actually it is. I hope maybe work all of this entire things will be work. I just check it once again. Now this is the final time you will be just keep reload. Could be error. Yeah, it could be the error. Unexpected token. Okay. Why just got the error? I just check it. Actually, this issue will be arising here. We just not close for this now once again. Now just keep reload. So another model will be wrong. Okay, this is a not wish list here by. I hope it work. Now try keep reload. Make another error for course ID. What this happened? Now here look at that. This is a course ID. It's not actually. This is a course ID, and I hope everything is okay. I don't know what's up. Finally, just you just keep reload. Maybe data will be came in here. Okay, okay. And now here is the two things will be the dark. So now remove for our database. Just keep reload. Mm, we just for delete for one data. I just checking purpose is it work or not. Just keep reload. This data into not cover for the wish list. Okay. What's this happen is because of that, and here look at it just for as a one. Okay, now is cover for another things. Yes, the data will be good changes for this icon and the two data. Amazing, amazing. Okay. Okay, friend. Thank you so much. There's a lots of time I have to take. I have I'm doing a lots of effort in this tutorials. So if you like this video, please comment in description as this actually you how much you learn about this tutorial. If you really like this, you are a new, so please humble request for subscribe of my channel. Please help me to grow my channel effectively. Thank you so much. Let's see for the next video, and next video will be managed for all of this wish list data into this in here for this one, and also the AJAX delete and updated process. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next